We from Husqvarna are here today at the Arborist Days in Augsburg, and we're presenting to you our latest innovations, the 550 IXP battery-powered saw and the 564 IXP professional gas-powered saw. With the 550 IXB, we are now in the 50 cubic centimeter class in the battery segment. We have a power output of 2.4 kilowatts with the B330X battery and 3.4 kilowatts with the new B330X battery. We've reused the proven side battery compartment. All batteries we've used at Husqvarna are compatible with the new B350XB. We have improved cooling. Both the battery and electronic components are cooled. We reinstalled the proven clutch as in the 542. In all our products, we have also installed Bluetooth fix in the new Akku-Tege. We can easily integrate that into our flash system. And I always have an overview of where my device is, how many hours it has been used, what service I need to do, and I never lose track of my equipment.
The Husqvarna 564 XP professional chainsaw is a breakthrough for the brand.
The first direct injection model that we are bringing to the market as of today. The goal was to build a 70 cubic centimeter saw in the size of a 50 cubic centimeter saw. We succeeded with 5.44 horsepower, a weight of 5.8 kilograms, and a displacement of 62.4 cubic centimeters. The injection system allows a smart start. Just prime 6 times to start the saw. We have improved cooling performance because we've used far fewer parts. This saw is extremely lively and agile. You can feel it, and that's what you're used to from Husqvarna because they're confident in this saw themselves.
The new products will be available starting around fall 2025.